for our offense, it's not about them. It's not about who you put out there. It's about us being able to, pretty much execute what we have going on, our game plan. And so with that being said, we're going to go out there and do that the best way we could.
It's back on the road for the Jaguars, this time in the NFC, and against the other NFL team celebrating 25 years in the league.
Let's go! Let's put the energy, baby. Put the energy.
It's a business trip. Let's go handle this business and get back to Jacksonville.
Hey, bounce on me, 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 hey. Let's go, man!
Start the second quarter off right. Get this money. What better place to be?
Man, football, communicate, make this short.
First and goal from the 5-yard line. Shotgun for Kyle Allen. He hands it to McCaffrey, tries to turn the corner. He does. He hurdles into the end zone for the touchdown.
Well, I don't know if he's wearing a Superman suit underneath of that uniform, but that was one heck of a play.
You got to earn this W. Earn it. Earn it. Every play, win your one-on-one. Win your one-on-one. Let's get it.
Win. One play at a time. Let's go.
Minshew under center. Fournette the running back. Play fake. Dropping to throw is Gardner. Fires deep downfield. Wants DJ Chark. DJ has it. DJ's into the end zone. Chark attack. Touchdown Jacksonville, and the Jags answer quickly.
How about Gardner Minshew? Are you kidding me? I mean, he's got man coverage with DJ Chark running a crossing route, and he absolutely throws a dime.
That's the weak link of the secondary. They get man-to-man coverage. That's a matchup you want all day long.
Hey, keep going. Chris, post, safety went with you, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
Hey, right here. Let's see what we built. Let's see what we built. One play at a time, baby.
Empty backfield, 3 right, 2 left for Kyle Allen. Drops to throw. Pump fakes, now throws to the middle of the field. There's McCaffrey. He's inside the 5. He's into the end zone, touchdown. They had him matched against Miles Jack, and it's going to be an 18-yard touchdown for Christian McCaffrey from Kyle Allen. 3rd and 6. Empty backfield for Gardner Minshew. Dropping to throw is Gardner. He is hit and the ball comes out. Carolina picks it up. They are running it back to the 20, to the 15, to the 10, to the 5. That's going to be a touchdown. Brian Burns ran it back.
One play at a time now. Right, one play at a time. Let's get back to a one-score game.
Minshew over the middle. Wide open is Westbrook. Westbrook trying to get away from that Carolina defense inside the 20 and still going. Finally down at the 16-yard line. A 29-yard pickup for D.D. Westbrook.
And you got to be fearless to run here in the center of the field where you know you can take a big shot.
Minshew pump fake. That fires end zone. Caught. Touchdown. Chark again.
What a great catch by DJ Chark. Outstretched arms up in the air. That was not a gimme catch by any means.
Let's go.
Well done.
Good job. Let me know when you calm down and talk a little bit. Great job. We needed that. Yep, needed that.
And now running some tempo. They want to go quickly. Allen is decked. Ngakoue with the sack. Ball is loose. Scooped up by Samuel. Samuel with now a flag down. Is tackled at the 34-yard line. First sack of the season for Ngakoue. His kicker, Joey Sly, has a big leg. This is a 56-yard attempt. Sly's kick is partially blocked.
You see him coming in sideways. He twists his body to kind of get to a small gap, and then he elevates.
It was Campbell with the field goal block, and Jacksonville takes over at their own 46-yard line.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Turn this shit.
That's the end of the first half with Carolina leading at 21-17.
Ball's on the 16. The Panthers' first possession of the half. Hand off to McCaffrey. He's into the open field. 40, 50, 40, 30, 10, 5. Christian McCaffrey just went 84 yards. Touchdown, Carolina.
We can't afford that. You guys are too damn good to miss on a run.
Minshew going to take a deep shot for Chark again. Adjustment, and he is down at the 2. They're giving him credit for the catch.
One official's waving it off because he did a little pirouette, which to me is a football move, but I think the entire time they're judging that he's going to the ground with the ball.
I think he was trying to reach out for the pylon while getting those feet down.
Yeah.
And then Bradbury knocked it away.
If I'm Doug Marrone, I'm looking for the red challenge flag to figure this one out because this looks like a catch to me.
After review, the receiver made the catch, and the ball was just short of the goal line. It'll be first down inside the 1 for Jacksonville. They are not charged a timeout.
DJ Chark has 130 yards receiving on 5 catches and 2 touchdowns in this game.
First and goal from the half-yard line here. The give to Leonard Fournette, dives into the end zone. Touchdown is called. Touchdown, Jacksonville.
That's a big answer. The Panthers went down, got the big run by McCaffrey, and then Minshew and Chark drive it all the way down, and Fournette finishes it off.
Bonifant remains the running back on 1st and 10. He gets the call. Up the middle, Bonifant! Reggie Bonifant off to the races! Are you kidding me? Reggie, Mr. October for Carolina!
We gotta get a touchdown, nothing less. Field goal touchdown. Let's get it.
3rd down, 10 from the 5-yard line. 1:35 to play. Looking. Moving around in the pocket, now throws downfield. Conley's got the catch. That's going to be a first down. Chris Conley went up and got it. Pulled a defender with him, got it out past the 30-yard line. Boy, these Jags don't give up. They fight, boy.
Will there be some Minshew magic here in Charlotte? Minshew scrambling. Minshew chased by Addison, now throws. Can he get it to the end zone? He cannot! Broken up by Luke Kuechly, and Carolina hangs on.
As long as there's time on the clock, we're going to keep fighting. We're going to give all we got because we know the guy next to you is, and you're not going to let him down. So that's, as long as there's any chance, that's what we're going to do.